invite our guest of honor, General Dr. V.K. Singh, PVSM, AVSM, Youth Seva Medal, Honorable Minister of State for Road, Transport and Highways and Civil Aviation, Government of India, to address the gathering.
Exhibitors, participants, both from India and abroad, who are present here, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure to be present for the inauguration of the 11th edition of the EXCON. As Deepak said, Karnataka has been home to EXCON, and 11th edition itself tells a story of success. Almost 800 exhibitors, 100 from abroad. Great amount of interest. My congratulations to each one of you. Let me also congratulate all the women achievers and all those who have ensured equal opportunity to women.
Happy and privileged that General V.K. Singh ji, Minister of Road Transport, has graced the occasion. I recognize his presence and his great service he has done to the nation. Sri Deepak Shetty ji, Chairman EXCON, Kamal Bali ji, Deputy Chairman and CIS Southern Region, Dimitrov Krishnan, a Russian Indian, Co-Chairman EXCON, Virendra ji, all the exhibitors, industrialists, and all participants, ladies and gentlemen, Anna Tamandri, Akka Tangire, Madhyam Snehitare. The very nature of a man or a human being is to grow. Man has got that urge to grow, achieve more. Therefore, a society which is hungry of growing, a society which is sharp enough for adapting new technologies, can grow at any cost. Even in pandemic it can grow. That is what our great country under the great leadership of Narendra Modi ji, we are able to showcase to the world that in spite of pandemic we can grow. Challenges brings opportunity. Without any challenge, there is no growth. The more the challenges, the more the growth. The World War I and II brought in the need of new technology. New technology in transportation, in firearms, in electronics, in mechanical. And that need of a military was translated into a civil society later on. That's what General Singh ji gave an experience of Japan. So one can look back and ask, if there was no world war, the growth of global growth in all these areas would have been there. Therefore, any new thing which is happening will throw away 100 doors open for opportunities.